So I'm checking out this DJI Om5, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. I mean, it's got all kind of cool features, like you can pan with the gimbal itself, and you don't even have to turn. You can center it like that, and you can have it follow things too. If I can get my dog in the picture here. Oh, looks like we lost her. Oh, there she is. You see, it just automatically follows. So, and you can switch that off just by clicking the little trigger. That's when you turn it off, so it doesn't follow anymore. This is pretty cool, actually. I like it. Anyway, I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Take you right to Amazon. I like using Amazon. They got everything. Sometimes it's cheaper prices for new stuff than what you could pay at like Best Buy or something. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, just thought I'd do a little video on this. You know, if you guys want to start getting into this kind of stuff, I'd highly recommend this little gimbal. What I'm using is a DJI Om5. I like it. And there's all kinds of features too. There's a little tripod on it that comes with it. It's relatively inexpensive. I think it paid like $130 or something like that for this one. I also want to point out that I'm walking normal. Like that's not me stabilizing the camera. That's the gimbal stabilizing the camera. Quick side-by-side comparison. This is me walking without the gimbal. So anyway, hope this is useful. Like and a thumbs up wouldn't hurt, and if you got time, subscribe. I know I've been away from YouTube for a while, but you know, I'm coming back. Got a couple surgeries to deal with and a job that didn't give me any time to do anything really, so we'll be back with more videos, and hopefully they're a little bit better with this tool. Anyway, I'll see you all around. Thanks for watching the video.